Hi everyone, my name's Andy, and I want to talk to you for just a couple of minutes about SharePoint Fest DC. SharePoint Fest will be in Washington, DC from April 29th through March 3rd. They're going to have 2 full days of hands-on workshops and then 3 full days of breakout sessions with great speakers from all across the industry. I'm really excited to present a couple of workshops, including one titled, "I Didn't Know You Could Do That with OneDrive." This will be a great hands-on deep dive into everything that you can use OneDrive for Business for. Yes, it will be a hands-on workshop, so please bring a mobile device, bring a tablet, bring a laptop, and we'll get you hands-on so you can learn all about the capabilities of OneDrive for Business. It's so much more than just storing files. We'll talk a little bit about integration of OneDrive with SharePoint Online so that you can manage all the content that's important to you all from one location. We'll also talk about integration with tools like Office and Office Online, how we can use OneDrive for Business to co-author and collaborate with our colleagues, selectively share information, and have complete control over what we're sharing and who we're sharing it with. We'll also talk a little bit about Microsoft Teams, accessing your content from Teams and working with that content there. We'll even go a little bit further and talk about how we can use applications like Office Lens for your mobile device to capture information and then store that in your OneDrive for Business. So if you want to learn more about OneDrive, this will be a great workshop for you to learn about how to interact with OneDrive and use the user interface. We'll also do a deep dive into administration. So for the IT pros and for our admins, but there's going to be something for you in this workshop as well so that you can understand all the admin capabilities and how this will impact your users. I really hope that you'll join me for I Didn't Know You Could Do That with OneDrive at SharePoint Fest in DC. I hope to see you there.